channel. For today's video, you guys, I have a special unboxing of this company, Double Dip Nails. They sent me a polygel kit. I believe this is their first polygel kit they've ever sent me. So I'm going to be basically switching the camera angle so you guys can see it, because I can't wait to open it. I have not seen what it is. I'm very excited. I love their dips, so I cannot wait to see what they came up with for polygels. So if you are not already subscribed to this channel, you guys, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, hit the post notification bell button, and like this video, you guys. Comment down below any time of the video. If you have any questions for me, you can DM me on my Instagram. And yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much. Also, I want to say thank you for my birthday shout outs that I've gotten from my live yesterday. Today's March 30th and it's my actual birthday, you guys. So I'm excited. I always get excited for my birthday. It's another year that God has blessed me with, so thank you, God. And yeah, I really appreciate him. So okay, let's get started with this video, you guys, so we can see what's in this beautiful magical box. Alright guys, so it's time to open the box. So we are just going to, first of all, I don't know what exactly this means. Dallas, I guess, I don't know if they're doing a collab or anything. They didn't mention anything of that. But they did tell me that they're branching out to more nail products. Obviously, this is their acrylic dip powder. And they branded their whole brand with their dip powders. So I guess they're just trying to branch out. So let's open it already. Let me shut up and open it. Alright, so we have this little card here, and it just shows instructions on how to use it. And it also says scan QR code below with your camera for detailed tutorials, or email our customer support. Oh, that's awesome. And there's information if you need help how to use it. Alright, so first and foremost, I see a lot of stuff here. There's a lot of stuff. And this is such pretty packaging right here. This holographic color. I can't tell what color they're going to be, but we're going to swatch the polygels. We're not doing a full tutorial. I will probably try to do a tutorial on, you know what, I want to do it on my mom. I'm going to use this box on my mom next time I do a fill, because she has an acrylic set on, but you can put polygel over an acrylic set. So I'm probably just going to remove her set and do like some designs with this, but we will be swatching it so we can see what we're going to do with her, because I just gave her a fill, so I really can't do anything. Oh, and this is so cute. It has some little gold charm looking accents for your nails. This is very cute. And it comes with, so it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 polygel little squeeze bottles. And I can't believe this came with it, a lamp. Oh my god, it's a little harsh. It's a little dusty from, I think this. I think that went on there a little too much. This reminds me of my MAKARRT and Madame Glam little lamp, and I love these. You can put these in a USB port. I forgot how, somebody told me I can use this, because I was like, well, I think I plugged it into my laptop, but there's other little things you can plug into. I just don't remember right as of now. If anybody of you guys knows the simplest way to put this on your table without having to use such a big extension cord, let me know, because I forgot what they said, because I never really use them, to be honest. I just use my nail lamp, my bigger nail lamp. So if anybody knows how I can just plug this in so it's more convenient to use, let me know in the comments down below. We also have a nail file here with the name Bellavena. I don't know if this is like a brand for like a brand that they're branching off of, and they're doing double dip, and then this is a new brand. I'm not really sure. I'm a little confused about that. It's the only thing I don't understand. It could be, but all right, put that back in there. It also has dual forms, and these dual forms, I don't know if these curve or not. All right, so for the dual forms, yeah, they look like a pretty standard form. I'm wondering though if these are, they look a little bit like they're going to be curved. So we shall see when we actually go into using them. They have their top and base, which this is so cute. I'm loving this packaging, seriously, with the holographic. Base coat, top coat. Beautiful. It looks like a nice consistency. And the bottles are a very good size for 0.4 ounces or 12 milliliters. And let's see. Got some nail art over here. Ooh, this is to die for. This is so cute. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is like stars. Oh wow, moon, hearts, little circles. Wow, there's like so many shapes in there. Hope you guys can see that. Beautiful. Let's see what the other one is. Okay, so the other one is more of an angel, and this is so pretty. It's a white glitter, and it's the same exact thing. Hearts, glitter, hearts, stars, moons, and you know, fine little glitters in there. But this one's in white, and I love that idea. That is gonna be very cute as well. Hope you guys can see that. All right, so that's what's in the box. What I'm gonna do is swatch them so that you guys have an idea of what will be coming in here, what colors are in here, the true color to it. So just in case any of you are willing or want to buy this, I'm gonna link it down below somewhere so you guys can try it out. Alright you guys, before we continue with the video, I just want to let you guys know that I have a new ring from Jeulia Jewelry. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I've been waiting to show you guys this, so the box is a little dusty. So I'm excited because I finally get to wear it. I've been wanting to show you guys, but obviously I didn't want to take it out of the box until I show you guys first. So just a little reminder, the jewelry from Jeulia Jewelry is made out of like 925. I think it's like some type of gold. That's what I was told before. I think one of my subscribers was helping me understand that because I was like, what does that mean? But basically it's made of 925 sterling silver compared to 99.9% silver. The 925 silver preserves hardness and beauty of silver and increases resistance to tarnish. Jeulia Jewelry has been verified by international institution SGS. So they do have rings, bracelets, and things like that. They have a lot of stuff. So if you want to check them out you guys. And you can also get a discount with my coupon code. I have 15% off from the coupon code. This little box also comes with a little beautiful Jeulia Jewelry bag in case you want to give it to someone as a gift, so you can easily open it up, write something, personalize it on their card. Comes with a little card, and it comes with a little cloth so that you can obviously clean it and all that. This one's really cute. It's pink. Sometimes I get like blue ones. And then you get it obviously in this beautiful, beautiful box. They do have engagement rings and things of that nature as well. Let me see. So basically this is the ring, you guys, that I got, and I was so excited to finally get it. I've been wanting a ring from them that was, you know, that had some of the gold and some of the silver. It is not real gold, it is just silver, and it's so pretty. I think I got a size 7. I should have got a bigger one because I think my finger is getting fatter, but it's okay. We need to get on this weight loss journey, you guys. But let's put on the ring. I want to take this little paper off. It is basically, it looks like a replica of Simba. If you really, really look closely, you guys, it's so cute. It looks like Simba. I hope you guys can see it. It is adorable. And this one is called King of the Jungle, a lion crowned cut sterling silver ring. I loved it because it's like a little crown. It looks like Simba. I know this is probably not, you know, Lion King is copyrighted or whatever, but it's like a little replica of the Simba, and you know, he's like gonna be the king of the jungle, obviously. But that's what it is. It's so cute. And yeah, let me just cut this part off and let me put the ring on. So it is a size 7. Should I put it like this? No, I'm gonna put it the other way because the crown. All right, let's see what it looks. Oh wow, that is definitely beautiful. I really don't know why I made my boyfriend get me, because we're getting engaged soon, And I picked up the rings and everything already, and I'm kind of like hitting myself in the butt now because I feel like there's no need to spend a lot of money on a ring, an engagement ring. And I should have just got something like this because they are much they're more inexpensive. And right now, like I said, you can get it a lot inexpensive with the discount codes and all, and they do have 15% off right now, I think, on their site as well. I love it. My ring is making it pop, and I'm so happy I got it. Thank you, Jeulia Jewelry, for sending this beautiful, beautiful ring. I'm in love with it. Like, I think this is my favorite piece so far. I will probably continue to get more of their rings just because I love when, you know, my nails are done and I have a beautiful ring on. It just makes it a lot better. So yeah, this is what the box looks like that it comes with as well. Alright guys, let's continue with the video. I have all of the information in the description box down below. Alright, so now that I did that, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you the swatches. So for the first one, we are going to go with the 150 Rainbow, and I'm guessing it's like a glitter. So let's take that off and let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it definitely has some glitter in there with different colors, some yellow, some blues, and some pinks, and some white. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking right now. I'm gonna try to find an idea for my mom so I could do her nails with this gel kit right here on another video. That's gonna be fun. Because her nails, basically, you guys, I'm growing them out. So I'm kind of like, every time I would do her nails, I would just do like a full set. Sorry, that's my phone. People are texting me happy birthday. But yeah, every time I do her nails, why is this one harder to get off? I had to bite it off. Okay. Every time I do my mom's nails, I always add extensions, and this time, oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay, this time I was like, you know what, I need to grow her nails out, so because she breaks them all the time, and I think she'll be happier when she gets her real nails grown out. I think I'm gonna use this color on her. I love this color, but let me not say that until I finish swatching them all. This one's called, sorry guys, this one was called 184 Rainbow. Okay, so the other one's called 150 Rainbow. Sorry, so I guess this is like a rainbow collection. And so yeah guys, so she's been happy. Her nails have grown. I've already done 2 fills on her natural nails with acrylic, so we're gonna probably just do a backfill with the Polygel. And it's okay to do a backfill and add gel or Polygel on top of acrylic because acrylic is a lot harder, but you don't ever want to do gel on or you don't ever want to do acrylic on top of gel or Polygel because it just is not going to work out. I think it's because acrylic is a lot harder of a product. It's like a lot more dense, I believe, and this is a lot more soft. Nah, that color is beautiful. When it comes to blue greens, you guys, I'm a big fan of blue greens. Why? Because obviously my birthstone is like an aquamarine color, and I just love it. Turquoise colors are my favorite too. Did I tell you guys the name of that one? No, this one is 172. This one is 060, and yeah, let's see. I think it's hard to open these things with my nails. All right, ooh, okay, peachy, beautiful, beautiful, I love peach. Okay, and then we have, it looks like a yellow, so pretty. Oh guys, I ran out of aquamarine diamonds, so that's why there's pink diamonds on this side. I was like, whatever, it's kind of like fire and ice, except it's not. It's more like cool and sassy or something. Okay, so this one's the yellow 181. Oh, this is nice. Beautiful pastel yellow. Cute. Oop, that one's a mess. That one was hard to come out. I guess sometimes colors have like a different consistency, so they are gonna not feel exactly the same as the other colors. And this one's called 168 Rainbow. If I had a guess, I would guess this is maybe an orange. I could be wrong. No, I was wrong. But this is like a light peachy neon color, and it's very different. So I'm actually really liking that one right there. These are giving me spring vibes, close to summer vibes. Love it. I want to do the yellow on my mom, but I don't know if that tone's gonna go with her. You know, not all yellow tones go with everybody, not all green tones go with everybody. So I'm gonna try to pick a color, but I am gonna definitely use this with it. Excuse the dogs outside, you guys, so sorry, but I think I really like this color though. But is it gonna be not bold enough? I might use these two or these two. I think I might do one with like all of them, so we could do like an accent one with the glitter that it came with. But we'll see. I really think I'm gonna go with this. I don't know, the yellow one's calling my name, but I really love these two. I love all of them. So pretty. Alright, you guys, that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I really hope you guys liked this unboxing of this new brand of double dipped. I guess they're I think it's called, okay, Bella Vena. I don't know why I'm having a hard time saying that, but I really loved everything that was in there, and I can't wait to use it on an actual person. I loved all the swatches of the colors. It comes with so many things. Alright guys, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on this video. If you are a returning person, returning viewer, and you have not subscribed already, please subscribe. It really helps my channel out a lot, you guys. And like I said once more, thank you so much for the birthday wishes from all of you guys. I love you guys so much. I love when I'm on live and I see the same people come on there. I feel so close to you guys that way. I love DMing you guys, going back and forth on conversations about just life in general sometimes, not even about nails all the time. And yeah, check out Jeulia jewelry, you guys. Love the ring, it's so beautiful. And remember, you can get 15% off with my coupon code. I'll leave that in the description box and down below. Thank you guys so much, and as always, God bless you all. Love you guys so much. Sending all these positive energies and sending all these angels to protect you guys always. And yeah, that's it. Love you guys. God bless. Bye bye. So much for, I'm all over the place. 1, 2, 3. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh no, don't do that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, you guys, I am doing an unboxing from this company called I would have never made it in the acting world. Wait. Okay, I hurt myself.